YouTube, welcome back to more product reviews. Today we're going to be opening up a Japanese style futon mattress from Maxyoyo. Doing such using our Okaso strategy. Yeah, it's an awesome knife. Alright, inside the box is another box. Let's open this one too. First look together, people. So double boxed right away like that. Oh, all right. So it appears this is some sort of extra piece for the mattress. We'll get to that later. And then there's the mattress itself. So it's kind of crammed in there like all the new age mattresses that they ship, you know, and you got to like take it out and expand it a little bit. Let's get it out of the box. Here, we have an overview of everything that was included in the package. So we have the mattress itself right there. We have a huge bag for the mattress. I have like a sheet. And we have like some cinch straps to be able to kind of get that roll right back like that. So to unroll this, you're just gonna wanna unroll it and let it set and kind of get to the desired poofiness and settings for up to 2 days. So let's just say a day and a half, maybe? Do the 2 days. You hear those noises, people? It's like inflating, it's getting bigger. It's going whoop, sucking in all that air. Yeah, taken out through that vacuum process. Before you have been transported to a tent. We're actually in like the porch of the tent, but now we're gonna go in and check out the Maxyoyo Japanese style floor mattress. Yeah, camping style. Look at this. Wow, look at this, people. Now this is a nice setup. So this is inside of our core tent by Crua. And Crew is not messing around with this product. Definitely check it out. This is an amazing tent. But now, to the bedding. Specifically, the mattress. Oh, this puppy's soft. Here's a close-up of the stitching, if you will. So the stitching is really, really nice. It's really tight. No problems whatsoever with anything coming out. Quality all the way around with the stitching, peeps. All right, see right here on the side of the mattress, it's kind of all the same color, so we liked that. There was options where it was white and then options where it's all the same color, so kind of like that about this model. Just our preference. Maxyoyo right here, I mean, you see it. There's lots of room, there's lots of comfort. I think the sleeping situations in a tent is gonna be on point with this. It's really comfortable. We got a nice amount of thickness here, kind of expanded it up. So I'm a Costco extra large, you'd say. And here on the queen size Maxyoyo, there is plenty of room. Plenty of availability next to me. I mean, just laying in here, first impressions, laying back, skylights, that's awesome. Ha! Still can't get over these beams too. Pretty cool to not have poles. Pretty cool. All right, so with the mattress, it's fairly easy enough. It's pliable enough that we can just kind of roll this puppy up. And they give us some straps for it as well. So once it's all rolled up, we can secure it. Here we see the provided bag. And yes, in the provided bag, the mattress fits. Look at that, people. What a deal. So I've seen some reviews where people say that this does not fit in the bag. It definitely does fit in the bag. Yes, no problems. And now we're gonna store it under the bed. This would also be a great option to like kind of put it in like a big linen closet, something like that. In the garage maybe, even in the basement. Because up top, you can tie this puppy up. It's a nice bag. Nice storage solution. All right, kind of cool. So it just does fit under the bed here. I mean, it's like the same size. It's a queen size. This is queen size bed. Just fits. Perfect.
Another great place for this mattress is right in front of the couch. We utilize it for game night, movie night, extra comfy, cushy seating.
It's really nice. You know, that's going to have to go into like the rating. I'm going to give the Maxyoyo. It's got to get the 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100 because of the versatility. This thing was in a tent. We were relaxed and enjoying it. Now it's on the floor with the sheets. Super nice. How about you, Jay?
I give it a 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100 as well.
What about the 5 out of 5?
I guess it's a 5 out of 5 as well.
Yeah. Make sure to pick up your own, people. Check the link below. This thing is awesome.
It really is.
All right, so dealing with the kind of like the sheet, the mattress sheet here to go on. It was really easy, and I mean, it's got that nice zipper. It goes all the way across. This puppy's nice and kind of, it's thick too. Seems like a decent quality sheet that they included. I like it. People, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.